Bitcoin, BTC. Bitcoin's price has been volatile, recently trading around $94,169, with an intraday high of $95,827 and a low of $92,234. This represents a slight decline of approximately 0.71% from the previous close. Over the past week, the cryptocurrency market has experienced notable fluctuations. Here's a detailed overview of the current prices and recent performance of key cryptocurrencies. Current price, $94,196. Intraday high, $95,827. Intraday low, $92,234. 24-hour change, minus 0.78%. Bitcoin has shown resilience, maintaining levels above $90,000. The bulls are actively defending the $90,000 support, with recent dips near this level viewed as buying opportunities. A break above the downtrend line could lead to a rise to $102,725 and subsequently to $108,353. Predictions for the coming week. Analysts have mixed predictions for the cryptocurrency market in the upcoming week. Bitcoin, BTC. Some forecasts suggest that Bitcoin could experience a slight decline, with predictions around $97,900, indicating a potential decrease of approximately 1.39% from the current price. Ethereum, ETH. Ethereum is currently priced at $3,231.74, down about 2.23% from the previous close, with an intraday high of $3,329.34 and a low of $3,192.59. Current price, $3,233.93. Intraday high, $3,329.34. Intraday low, $3,192.59. 24-hour change, minus 2.18%. Ethereum has formed a head and shoulders pattern, which will be completed on a break and close below the neckline. The downsloping 20-day exponential moving average, $3,451, and the relative strength index, RSI, in the negative territory indicate that bears hold the edge. If the price turns down from the current level or the 20-day EMA and breaks below the neckline, the ETH/USDT pair risks falling to $2,850. Predictions for the coming week. Analysts have mixed predictions for the cryptocurrency market in the upcoming week. Ethereum, ETH. Ethereum is anticipated to see a modest increase, with some predictions indicating a rise to approximately $4,039.50, reflecting a 16.32% increase over the next 30 days. BNB is trading at $694.54, marking a 0.56% decrease from the previous close, with an intraday high of $704.10 and a low of $681.78. Current price, $695.07. Intraday high, $704.10. Intraday low, $681.78. 24-hour change, minus 0.53%. BNB closed below the 50-day simple moving average, $691, on January 9th, but the bears are struggling to sustain the lower levels. The bulls are trying to push the price above the moving averages. If they manage to do that, the BNB/USDT pair could challenge the overhead resistance at $745. XRP has seen a modest increase, currently at $2.35, up 1.73% from the previous close, with an intraday high of $2.36 and a low of $2.25. Current price, $2.35. Intraday high, $2.36. Intraday low, $2.25. 24-hour change, plus 1.73%. XRP has been trading inside a symmetrical triangle pattern, indicating a balance between supply and demand. The flattish 20-day EMA, $2.29, and the RSI near the midpoint do not give a clear advantage either to the bulls or the bears. If the price breaks and closes above the resistance line, it will signal that the bulls have overpowered the bears. Cardano is priced at 92 cents, down 3.73% from the previous close, with an intraday high of 96 cents and a low of 91 cents. Current price, 92 cents. Intraday high, 96 cents. Intraday low, 91 cents. 24-hour change, minus 3.73%. Cardano has turned up from the uptrend line, indicating that the lower levels are attracting buyers. The relief rally is expected to face selling at the moving averages. If the price turns down from the moving averages, the possibility of a break below the uptrend line increases. Cointelegraph. Please note that cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile and prices can change rapidly. It's essential to conduct thorough research and consider multiple factors before making investment decisions. Recent developments. Regulatory changes. The election of President-elect Donald Trump has sparked discussions about potential crypto-friendly regulations. His administration's support for building a strategic Bitcoin reserve and appointing crypto-friendly figures to key regulatory positions has generated optimism among crypto enthusiasts. Notably, the approval of Ether exchange-traded funds, ETFs, to stake the Ether they hold could enhance trading strategies and attract institutional investors. Market Watch. Market volatility. The cryptocurrency market has experienced significant volatility, with a recent decline of nearly 6% earlier this week, followed by a modest recovery. This fluctuation has been influenced by factors such as rising U.S. Treasury yields and market recalibration in expectations of a liquidity-driven bull market. Fundamental analysis. The cryptocurrency market is influenced by several fundamental factors. Regulatory environment. The potential for more crypto-friendly regulations under the new administration could lead to increased institutional adoption and market stability. However, there are concerns that reduced oversight might lead to increased volatility and systemic risks. The Atlantic. Market sentiment. Investor sentiment remains a significant driver, with recent optimism about regulatory changes and institutional investments contributing to market rallies. Conversely, market corrections and profit-taking can lead to short-term declines. Economic indicators. Rising U.S. Treasury yields and potential changes in monetary policy can impact risk assets, including cryptocurrencies. Higher yields may lead to capital flowing out of riskier assets, affecting crypto prices. Market Watch. In summary, while the cryptocurrency market has shown resilience amid regulatory developments and market fluctuations, investors should remain cautious and stay informed about ongoing economic and regulatory changes that could impact market dynamics. Over the past week, the cryptocurrency market has experienced notable developments influenced by regulatory changes and market volatility. Here's an overview of the recent events and their potential implications. Regulatory changes. Trump administration's crypto-friendly stance. President-elect Donald Trump's upcoming administration has sparked optimism within the cryptocurrency community. His support for building a strategic Bitcoin reserve and appointing crypto-friendly figures to key regulatory positions suggests a potential shift towards more favorable policies for digital assets. Additionally, the approval of Ether exchange-traded funds, ETFs, to stake the Ether they hold could enhance trading strategies and attract institutional investors. PBS. SEC's enforcement actions. The Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has intensified its enforcement actions against the crypto industry, leading to lawsuits challenging its regulatory approaches. Cases like Kentucky v. SEC and Binomial Exchange, LLC v. SEC highlight disputes over the SEC's enforcement on secondary market sales, futures contracts, NFTs, and Ethereum transactions. With the upcoming change in administration, newly appointed SEC Chair Paul Atkins, known for his pro-crypto stance, may shift the agency's enforcement strategy towards a more supportive regulatory framework for the digital asset industry. Reuters. Market volatility. Bitcoin's price fluctuations. Bitcoin has experienced significant volatility, recently trading around $94,169, with an intraday high of $95,827 and a low of $92,234. This represents a slight decline of approximately 0.71% from the previous close. Analysts suggest that if Bitcoin breaches a $92,000 support level, it may drop to $90,000. Market Watch. Impact of rising U.S. Treasury yields. The cryptocurrency market has been influenced by rising U.S. Treasury yields, which have pressured risk assets, including cryptocurrencies. The 10-year Treasury yield rose to 4.793%, its highest since November 2023, prompting market recalibration in expectations of a liquidity-driven bull market. Market Watch. Market Outlook. The combination of a potentially crypto-friendly administration and ongoing market volatility presents both opportunities and challenges for the cryptocurrency market. While favorable regulatory changes could bolster market confidence, the impact of rising Treasury yields and market recalibration may introduce short-term uncertainties. Investors should remain vigilant and consider both regulatory developments and market dynamics when making investment decisions. Economic indicators. Impact of rising U.S. Treasury yields. The cryptocurrency market has been influenced by rising U.S. Treasury yields, which have pressured risk assets, including cryptocurrencies. The 10-year Treasury yield rose to 4.793%, its highest since November 2023, prompting market recalibration in expectations of a liquidity-driven bull market. Market Watch. Potential changes in monetary policy. Minutes from the Federal Reserve's December meeting indicated a potential slowdown in policy easing, with fears of further rate hikes impacting risky assets. This uncertainty can affect investor confidence and market stability. Market Watch. In summary, while the cryptocurrency market is poised for potential growth due to favorable regulatory changes and increased institutional interest, it also faces challenges from economic indicators and the need for balanced oversight. Investors should remain vigilant, considering both the opportunities and risks inherent in this dynamic market.